Today we will be testing a new reversal indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new reversal indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 558 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new reversal indicator. And so the source video says, this free indicator spots early reversals. And so the title is pretty straightforward, no wild claims being made. And so as far as whether or not it spots early reversals, of course, we will take a look at the indicator and put it to the test and see what you think about it. So the indicator that we have on screen is called the VWAP divergence indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And everything stays on the default settings, and so nothing is modified. So basically, the indicator, a short version, we won't go into a super in-depth explanation of exactly what it is, but essentially it is a VWAP indicator, the volume weighted average price, which is this green line right here, switching from green to red depending on whether or not it kind of detects an uptrend or a downtrend. And then what the indicator looks for is a divergence between the VWAP and price. I believe as they explained it, when the VWAP is sloping up and price is sloping down for a certain period of time, that is what they consider a divergence. And then it'll give you a dot like this here. That will be your reversal signal. And now when we say reversal, basically it's a reversion back to the mean. And so that means that it is price returning back to the VWAP itself, that being what they consider the mean here, or the medium kind of zone area, average, moving average, whatever you want to call it. And so what we're looking for a short trade setup, so when we pick up a red dot like this here above the VWAP, that will be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right above that dot there, and then essentially we are looking to exit when price hits the VWAP line. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see price pushes up and then climbs its way back down, hitting the VWAP line right here. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for when we get a green dot like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right below that green dot, and we are going to once again target the VWAP line itself. Just put the trade target up here. But again, we would exit when the VWAP line is actually hit, not when the target hits the VWAP at that location. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And once again, you can see this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. Now, typically we have like a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, but in this particular case, most of the time we didn't even get a 1 to 1 risk reward. Most of the time the reward was less than the risk, but I went ahead and did a 1 to 1 risk reward just to make it fair, because each trade was slightly different. Every single one didn't carry the same risk to reward. And so if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $600 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $18,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at a negative $6,000. And so, as far as spotting early reversals, yeah, I guess you could say it was able to spot reversals kind of early, I guess, kind of, but ultimately that didn't help out too much, considering how there wasn't much reward in the risk once it did kind of spot that early reversal. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 79 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had right at a 80% win rate and a total gain right at $38,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.